it's Amethyst with WTI, and here I have some drinks that have been absolute lifesavers for me. This is the Soylent Neapolitan variety pack. These right here are going to be ready to drink meal shakes, and I really love all of these. Here I have strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla, so the Neapolitan pack. I love that you get multiple flavors in one purchase, so whatever you're feeling that day you can do. I genuinely love all three flavors equally. They taste so good and they're not thick in my stomach, so they're really easy to eat or to drink and they make me feel full, and I can feel confident knowing that these are going to be a good source of all the things that I need in that meal. I really love too that these are made with plant protein and that they are gluten-free, so it's going to be really awesome for people who have sensitivities or that are vegan, and it's not going to make me feel bloated or break out because of dairy. And if that's something that you struggle with as well, then this might be a good option for you. I have really been loving these. I struggle to meet my caloric needs on a pretty regular basis, and I struggle to eat breakfast, so specifically I like these in the morning, and they really help me to get my day started, and I feel so amazing after I have them. If you're looking for a tasty, ready to go meal shake, I highly recommend these ones, and that is my point of view.